Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick here to take you through today's market action. It was bloody. Stocks gave back Friday's gains and then some with a steep sell-off on Monday. The Nasdaq hit a new year-to-date low as Nvidia and other big tech names dragged on the market alongside tariff apprehension and a stagflationary print from the manufacturing economy. Small caps took a near 3% hit while the Nasdaq slid more than 2%. The Dow and the S&P each shed more than 1.5%. Energy and tech shares fell the most among the S&P 500 sectors, each down more than 3.5%. Some groups still into the session up, though. Real estate was higher, staples and healthcare, traditional defensive names, did rally on the day. Let's look at some stocks that were on the move. Nvidia really is the main story. It was slipping early on in the session and only got worse throughout the day. It's now down 25% from its all-time highs in January. Shares closed at a 6-month low as the Mag 7 leader shaved off 9% to start the week, despite a last-minute bounce back on Friday that helped the market firm up. The trend continues weakness since earnings, when the stock opened at $135. The tech sector was complicated by other chip names too. A sell-off in Broadcom and Intel shares may have come to a surprise for those who saw a Reuters report that Broadcom and Nvidia might work with Intel to manufacture some of their chips. Didn't work for Intel. The stock was down. Broadcom fell too, and even Taiwan Semi declined despite announcing a $100 billion investment into U.S. plants. And then there's crypto. An ugly unwind after the president put out a statement that there will be a strategic reserve and that the U.S. will be the crypto capital of the world. But details were few, and the plan is still in the works. Bitcoin rallied big, back to almost 95,000 before giving up a lot of it throughout the session, falling just about as hard as stocks, down to 86,800 as of reading. Tomorrow, we do have some earnings. Target is before the bell. Best Buy too. AutoZone. We'll get a look at On Holding as well. And then after the market, it gets back towards some tech. You've got CrowdStrike and Box, but more on the consumer with Nordstrom and Ross stores. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.